Welcome to our channel, where we provide clear and concise research on the world's most innovative public companies. Today, we have prepared a due diligence report on PDS Biotechnology Corporation PDSB, which includes our forecast for the company's economic value, a summary of its key catalysts, and our overall recommendation for the company. Before we begin, please take a second to subscribe. All of our research reports are made available for free after our community has had a chance to review them. If you enjoy our work, consider supporting us to gain exclusive access to our research before it is released to the public. First, we will cover the company's clinical pipeline, which consists of 4 programs. This includes their most advanced asset, PDS-0101, also known as Versamune HPV, which is a therapeutic cancer vaccine targeting HPV-16 positive tumors. This program is currently in a pivotal phase 3 clinical trial, which we will refer to as 𝗓𝗔𝗓𝗓, evaluating the vaccine in combination with an immune checkpoint inhibitor for the treatment of recurrent metastatic head and neck squamous cell carcinoma, or 𝗕𝗔𝗡𝗖𝗑𝗧. Prior data for this asset showed a 40% tumor response rate and improved survival rates. The company also has PDS-0301, which is an IL-12-based tumor-targeting immunotherapy candidate. This asset is currently being evaluated in metastatic prostate cancer settings and will initially be tested in combination with the standard of care or checkpoint inhibitors. Versamune MUC1 is a preclinical candidate that intends to elicit strong CD8 T-cell responses against a variety of MUC1-expressing solid tumors. Lastly, they have their Infectimune platform, which is a vaccine development platform designed to elicit durable antibody and T-cell responses for the prevention of infectious diseases. This program is currently in the preclinical validation stage. Next, let's review the company's financial position. As of the end of 2024, they had approximately $41.7 million in cash and equivalents. Additionally, during the first quarter of 2025, they raised $11 million and have the ability to raise another $11 million under the terms of their existing facility. At an estimated annual cash burn of $35 to $40 million, we expect the company's current capital to last into early 2026. However, there is a moderate to high risk that the company may need to raise additional capital in 2025 unless it secures non-dilutive capital or licensing revenue by the fourth quarter of 2025. Based on our assumptions for the company's clinical pipeline and funding requirements, we forecast the company's economic value to be between $450 million and $650 million, or between $4 and $6 per share over the next 12 months. Our base case assumes that the company completes its phase 3 with positive, but not breakout results, shows tolerability and immune activity with its early-stage trials, and secures additional funding through equity or non-dilutive means. In our bull case, we assume the company not only delivers positive phase 3 data, but also shows both progression-free and overall survival benefit versus the control arm. Under this scenario, we believe the asset could be fast-tracked by the FDA, driving significant interest from strategic collaborators or potential acquirers. In our bear case, we assume the company is unable to show efficacy or faces safety issues that delay the program, faces challenges in securing financing, which results in an inability to execute on its current clinical trials adequately. In this scenario, the company would likely face intense competitive pressure in the HPV immunotherapy space, driving a need to out-license or even potentially being acquired. In our base case, we expect the company to remain at risk of dilution as it continues to advance its pipeline. However, given the significant potential payoff from its lead asset, we believe the company could be an attractive acquisition target for larger biotech or pharma companies. Thank you for conducting your due diligence and investing wisely.